If your Microsoft Edge browser is giving you too many community notifications, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn them off in just a few quick steps. This is a simple fix if you want a cleaner browsing experience and fewer pop-ups or alerts while you use Edge. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the home page. On the home page, look for the page settings icon, which looks like a small gear icon. Click that icon to open your page settings. Once the settings panel appears, find the notification settings section. Under that section, click Manage. This will open the controls for the notifications that Edge is showing you. Now look for the option that says Get All Community Notifications. You'll see a toggle next to it. Simply switch that toggle off. As soon as you turn it off, Edge will stop sending those community notifications to your browser. That's it. The change is very quick, and you don't need to go through any complicated menus or advanced settings. If you ever want to turn them back on later, just come back to the same spot and enable the toggle again. So to recap, click the page settings gear icon on the home page, go to Manage under Notification Settings, and then toggle off Get All Community Notifications. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy browser tips and tutorials.